Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Treasure Voyage quest in Heartopia. But first, just keep in mind this quest will be unlocked when you reach DD member level 40. So after you reach level 40, you will get this quest. And to complete this quest is very easy. First, just go meet NPC Cassie, or you can also meet the NPC Naughty. For the NPC Cassie, she is located on the Jam Puzzle Forest, and then for the NPC Naughty, he is located at the Onsen Mountain. So just go meet the one of this NPC. For example, in here I want to meet Cassie, and then just tap on Treasure Voyage like this. And then after that, just talk to Cassie or Naughty again. And then just tap on Treasure Voyage like this. And then in here you can just try completing Treasure Voyage one time with the 10,000 coins. Just tap on sale one time like this, and then just tap on confirm. Then just tap on it, and then you will get the gold item like this. It's like a random gacha like this. And then next just tap continue to claim it. And if you want to take another draw, you can just tap on sale again, and then just pay it with 10,000 coins again. But if you think this is enough, just tap on confirm like this. And just like that, your Treasure Voyage is done, and then you just have to meet Annie again for the confirmations to complete this quest. Just talk to Annie and then just confirm the quest by tap on Treasure Voyage like this. And just like that, your Treasure Voyage quest is done like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.